All
Hey,
right. All right. So our goal today is to start a substrate network. Is basically what we did last week, but we're hopefully a little bit more seasoned now and have learned from our trials, and so hopefully it'll work.
we
And
need to do a git pull again.
yeah, that's right.
Oh
So
no! Now we're just spending the whole time rebuilding again.
no, I think the build will be faster because we should only have to build the parts that have changed, unless that's a lot of parts. Maybe we'll have to see. Yeah, in substrate repo. Nicole, do you have the instructions?
I don't.
Oh, let me send them to you.
It says already up to date.
Oh, well, that's wonderful. That's a little bit surprising, though. Did you pull recently?
Not since last week.
Oh, yeah, that's weird. Something goofy
Are
must
you
be
on
going
the
on.
master branch?
Oh, yeah, Jim, are you on? Can you hear Nicole?
Yeah, it's a little echoey, but am I on what?
Are you on master?
Um, Remote uh, dash V.
Yeah, or even get status will tell you too.
Oh, get
Um,
status. That's what I want.
yeah, here you go, Nicole. This is what we're trying to follow. And I pinged you in that random Discord that you joined the other day. That's actually these guys too.
Oh, okay.
Right. Yeah, I gotta. Um, okay, so
Do you want to share while you're doing it, Jim, or do you want me to share? And
I can share for now.
I guess I should still do it too if you're sharing.
So, Origin Master.
Yeah, your branch is.
Why am I on Digital Life Collective? That's what my problem is.
Oh, yeah, that doesn't seem right.
Yeah, I forked the repository. um, so,
Oh, this is your fork of the substrate repo. Okay, that's not such a hilarious thing. I thought it was a totally different project that you had there.
uh, yeah, okay. So I forked it last week, and I didn't. I didn't. It's not up to date. So,
I'll get you the link.
Hey, curious question. Sorry to interrupt. As I'm going through, so I just did a git pull to make sure that I'm up to date. Should I just like stash everything that I did last time and just re-pull it?
Yeah, so you had yeah, stashing is fine, and then git pull. Yeah, that should work. That's a great idea.
All right, cool. All right.
So, Jim, here's the. Oh, wait, sorry. I almost gave you the wrong thing. Here's the remote that you actually want, and here's the command to update it.
in the
Yeah.
Git add remote set URL origin now. If I do a remote dash V,
That
it's
looks good.
changed. Now I do a git pull.
Yeah.
I'm having that update my tool.
Yeah, I might have to do that too.
Aborting. Ooh.
Yeah, new one.
Local changes. Do a stash.
Oh, yeah, you can get stash. Oh, I bet I have that problem too.
So I'll do a git stash. Do I actually need to save any of this?
Probably not. It's just our like chain specs and stuff that we did last time. Oh, although it looks like you have the Polkadot.js apps thing in there in that apps folder.
I do. I
Yeah.
didn't add that though.
It's probably fine to just stash and then it's around if we ever need it. And if not, we'll just forget about it. That's what I usually do with my stashes.
What? Um,
Unable to auto detect email address, cannot save current index state.
Now I did a stash. Now why didn't
It didn't stash because on this server you haven't set up your email address, which I guess is
Oh,
for some reason necessary for.
I see.
So I think you can do, yeah, you got it.
What was that?
That, yeah. And then you can just probably put some email in there.
I don't know why it didn't run. Oh, I did pull at the beginning.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Oops, I did that wrong. Got an ampersand.
Oh,
That's better.
all right. That's pretty weird that it needed that, but hopefully now we can stash and pull.
Where'd it go?
Let's see, what went wrong with that last one? Nothing, it worked. Okay, sorry.
I don't know. My name.
Yeah, I don't think it probably matters that much.
And then I want to do a git pull again.
Yeah. Did you stash yet?
Oh, stash. Urgh.
Nice. Yay, that looks good. Cool.
Okay, and then I want to do
So now we want to we want to go into the node template directory and /scripts/init.
Okay, I ran this from the root before, from main directory.
Oh yeah. Wait, really?
No?
Well, I don't know. Let's just see what's in there. Oh yeah. Oh, that's, yeah, perfectly good because you have node template in the path. Good work.
And then this.
So Nicole, is init script? What does that do? Just update all of our like Rust tools and stuff? When you run like init.sh, what does that do for us?
I'm sure your Rust tool changes if you did. I don't know. Let's take a look at the file.
All right, cool. Looks like yours is up to date, Jim. Mine's still going. How you doing, Jeremy?
Give me one more. I'm doing literally what Jim just did right now on my end.
Cool. Okay. Everything's working as you expect, though?
Okay.
Yeah, I just did the git pull right now. Just ran the scripts in it.
How come I have?
So give me
I
one.
have another init shell here.
I think, Jim, if you do that one, I think you might want to kill that. I think that's going to build the standard node instead of the node template.
Do you guys ever get an issue, error component RLS is unavailable for the channel 90?
I don't know if they can hear you. I can't hear you in my ears.
Oh.
So I should change to node.
Do you want to just unmute? It might be okay. Or do you want to come over here next to me?
I should be in the node template directory, is what you're saying, right?
Yeah, I think that's right, Jim. I'll switch. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, I'm going to do that too. So what did you do?
So, last update night.
Oh, now I'm doing the script build, sh. That should be done.
Nice. Do you want to paste that? I don't even know. So, Jeremy, are you working on a Mac right now?
Yeah.
You ever get a error component RLS for target is unavailable? I'll paste the error message.
Did you hear that, Jeremy?
No, I did not hear that at all. I'll see the message now.
I'm getting a very I'm getting that error when I try to update Rust, the nightly build.
First line. Where do you get that error when you did the cargo build?
When I do Rust up, update nightly.
Yeah. I don't think we ever actually did that. I wondered if that's what this did.
Oh, I'm still one step before, so it's been a while since I've updated my Rust toolchain. So
Okay.
I'm trying to do that.
Oh,
It's
gotcha.
really an unrelated issue.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
I actually. Yeah.
No, but then when I try to run scripts in it, the bash script is.
Oh, really?
No, it's okay. You guys can move on.
Yeah.
I'll troubleshoot that issue.
Okay. Yeah, you're probably better at it actually than any of us anyway. Okay, so let's see. I think oh yeah, are you guys still building?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm at like 49. Yeah, at 84. I'm almost there.
Yeah, no, that's cool. It'll take a little time. What I'm thinking is maybe we should do the key generation while this stuff is compiling so that that's all out of the way.
All right, let me open up a new terminal.
Yeah. Restless leg syndrome. You couldn't get your restless leg syndrome to build.
So what was the command I will run for that, Joshy? Subkey. I forgot. Let me go into the real.
If you scroll down, it's in there. It's subkey-e generate, and then do the smart thing that you did last time, which was keep all your info, and not the stupid thing I did, which was forget some of it.
Got it. Subkey E.
What is going on here?
What's up, Jim?
I have, I don't know, I opened my other window here, and it looks like, I don't know what you got here.
Oh, that's
this is still running?
It looks like it. It looks like the output from when you run the user interface.
I guess I better quit that.
Good to know it's stable. It's been running for a whole week.
Now, core file in there. So then I thought we made a key last time, which we kept somewhere, but I guess not.
Yeah, it doesn't, like when you do it with R node, it saves it to a file by default, but with this thing, it doesn't do that. So it would only be in a file if you put it there. I think you can just run.
So I still want to be in that node template directory?
For generating the key, it doesn't really matter. You should be able to subkey -e. Oh, maybe it's not in there.
It's command is subkey, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just pasted it in the chat for you.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, this is finished.
Oh, nice.
I don't know why subkey isn't.
Yeah, I don't know if you ran it last time. I think I was generating keys for all of us. Maybe just try to run it new.
Okay.
I think Jim already had it. I was just the only one that couldn't get it.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, I thought I was. Oh, I guess I put it in the chat. I knew I saved it somewhere.
Yeah, just check the Zoom chat. You should see it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're going to use the same key. That's not a bad idea. Cool. I have a new one. Actually, let's all I guess we have to share our public addresses. So maybe we can share those in the, or I guess we,
Address SS58.
yeah, exactly.
Cool. Copy that. Are we sharing it in Zoom or Discord?
Let's go Discord.
All right.
Okay. So I saved the output and my run command in the file.
Yeah, like right now, I actually already see something a little bit off. Sorry about that. It looks like your key is bigger than mine, Joshy.
Oh, no. Oh, I wonder. Wait, hold on. I think it's because they're fixed width right now. Put it in backticks. Or because they're not. Oh, gosh. I think I just broke mine. I still have it in my terminal. Okay. What does yours look like if you put it in the backticks like that, Jeremy?
All right.
I think they're the same length.
Oh, yeah, that looks about right.
I think mine just had some skinny letters in there, or wide letters if it was longer. Nice. Okay, cool. Jim, you got a key for us?
Yep, same one.
Nice. Okay, cool. So now we can do it looked like your compile finished. Mine did too. So we can now do the cargo build.
I'm at like 80 out of 84, so I'm like right behind you guys.
Now
Cool.
I do the cargo build in the node template directory.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so to give you a little bit of like intuition about what's going on with that, when you do anything in the root directory, that's all about building the default substrate node, which has a lot of really cool features, but we don't need most of them. And for my own learning purposes, it was a little easier to learn when there were fewer moving pieces. So the node template kind of strips out some of the nice but not necessary stuff.
That's why the one I was running had all that stuff in it.
Yeah.
And all that
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah. Oh, and like, okay, cool. See how quickly Jim's got up to like 380? That's the beauty of just having to pull and build the new stuff, instead of like everything.
All right, running cargo build now.
And so, okay, so let's talk through the next couple of steps. I guess when we have this thing built, then we're going to do the build spec and save it as a JSON file. And then we're going to go in and paste each of our keys in there. And then we're going to start our nodes. Oh, I just realized. Oh, it might be okay. I just realized that last time we did this, I was running on a cloud server, and this time I'm on my local laptop. So I don't know if I'm going to have any trouble with like my router or whatever. But maybe just in case, I'll get on DigitalOcean again too.
Are we going to do the same where you create the default JSON and we just copy it over?
Yeah, I don't know. What do you think about that? We
figure that'd be easier.
all have the same one. Yeah, okay. That sounds good. Will do. Cool. Okay, I'm at 494 out of 499.
What's this? I guess this warning is not a problem.
Yeah, you know, I've gotten accustomed to just ignoring the warnings. What do you usually do about that, Nicole? When you're building and you get all these warnings?
Try to not have any warnings.
Yeah,
But if you're building substrate repo and it has warnings,
yeah,
yeah,
that's
but for your
basically
own-
what I've been doing. Oh yeah, for your own. Yeah, right.
RLS is broken for the latest nightly build. So I have to use the default.
Oh, is it only on Mac? Oh, that's brutal. Oh, I wonder.
I can use like an older build
Yeah.
and default to that older date.
What's going on, Aaron?
Jeremy wants to know what's going on.
Oh, RLS is broken in the latest nightly build.
Is it Marla?
RLS.
Oh, RLF.
Server. Yeah. So I have to use one from maybe like a previous older build. So I default specific tool chain to a previous nightly build.
Pretty advanced.
No, it's not. But I don't want to do that and then forget about it. Maybe I'll just wait for it to be fixed and not code until.
Vacation until then.
So I just got the error 2, so I guess we're ignoring it.
It should be a warning, right? Is it yellow text?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. All right.
Now, do I run it from that same directory? Does that matter?
You just have to type the path to it, so it doesn't. In fact, it's probably easier if you go up one because the target debug folder is up one level. That's something I learned about Rust builds. I think the target always ends up in the like root directory, or I bet there's a way to change it, but that seems what happens by default. Okay, cool. My build just finished.
Yep. I'm on 504 now. Oops.
You mind if I show how to do the chain spec parts? Since we were talking about maybe me doing it and sharing the file, we should probably get that on video. So it lives in target, debug, node template. And if we had built the regular node, it wouldn't be called node template, it would be called substrate. And then we want to build spec and chain equals local. And then we want to save it to Colab chain.json.
A little small, but
What's that?
yeah, it's a little small. I can see it though.
Oh. How's that? Good. Okay, cool. So I should have that file now. Yep, there it is, Colab chain.json. And then I guess we're just going to edit it. And here's the authorities. So I'll do my key and Jeremy's key and Jim's key.
So your mouse is actually working?
It's pretty amazing. I don't really know how that's working, but yeah, it totally is.
I haven't seen a mouse work in Vim before.
Yeah. It's a crazy world we live in. Okay, cool. And then this is the part that I just noted do, but not totally clear on what it does. But we're going to say chain is this Colab chain file, and we are going to turn it into a raw one. Okay. And there it is. And so I'll just send it over to you guys. Where did I put that? Programming projects. Substrate. There we go.
All right. I just right click on that, copy URL.
Oh, that's a great idea, Jim. You can you like just wget or curl that from your DigitalOcean server?
Right.
That's smart.
Copy the link address. And this goes
Maybe I'll do that too.
in the substrate directory, wget.
And this has to be in the targets. Sorry if you already said this, but this has to be in the targets folder as well, correct?
It doesn't really matter where you save it, Jeremy. It's just that you're going to have to type the path to wherever you saved it later on. So
Gotcha.
maybe save it somewhere kind of nearby.
All right.
I forgot to remove the old one. So I hang it, loaded dot one, but it's okay now. Okay, now I can run, right?
Yeah. So
Is my
Jim, do
run
you want to go first?
Sure.
Let me give you the share.
Okay, this is what I have
Can you share your? Oh yeah, perfect.
from last week. I have this, yeah. I have target debug, no template, chain, Colab, chain raw, JSON. And
That's a long ass command. Is that your same key?
Yeah, same key.
Okay, cool. Validator, telemetry. Oh, we never looked at the telemetry last week. We can do that this week too. Oh, well, here's what's different, Jim. You don't want boot nodes in there this time because you're going first.
Okay. Let me just, so I remember that, I'll just leave boot node in there in case I need it. And boot node is this whole thing. Wait.
Yeah. Yeah, it's more than that whole line. That was like the whole long address of my node last week.
Looks good?
I think so. Okay, that looks great. Best block 0, no errors. And I think it'll just sit there like that now. So Jim, one of those log messages about halfway up right now, it says local node identity is, and you need to share that with me and Jeremy along with your IP address.
Oops. And my IP address. You put the host name?
Oh yeah, host name is fine, yeah.
Substrate.robot.net.
Nice, okay, cool. So you mind if I take the share to do this next part?
Take it away.
So our command, wait, I got myself a little bit lost. Launching the chain. Oh yeah. So chain equals, oh no, that's not good. Let me just try to type it. Where's the command? I can't seem to find it. Oh, there we go. Okay.
I think I'll follow along next time, guys.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to solve this issue and join you guys next time.
Cool. Thanks for coming, Nicole.
Thanks for having me.
You literally just spent 57 minutes.
Yeah. So long.
Okay, so let's see. I don't need to do any base path stuff. I need to do this. Chain. Key. And so you guys are all going to see my key now. Port, I'm just going to use the default telemetry URL. Validator, name. Boot nodes. And so then it's going to be IP4/substrate.robot.net/TCP/ Jim, you just did the default port, I think, right?
Yeah.
/P2P/your node identity. I think that'll do it. And Jeremy, do you want me to send that command?
Yes, please.
You'll have to make some tweaks to it,
Yeah.
like your key and your node name, for example.
Where was the key stored again? It was under, cause I'm under source. Maybe I went too far in for the sub key. Is it under like vanity main or?
It didn't create a file anywhere for the key. It just would have put some output on your screen.
Oh, okay. Is it possible? Well, I can't regenerate. How would I view the? I'm sorry.
You made the mistake this time.
I was like, crap, I don't want to regenerate it. So I try to figure out, okay, so just sub key.
But if you regenerate it, you'll get a different key, not the one that we.
Yeah, I don't want to regenerate it. Is there any way just to view it?
You can't get the private key back from the public key. Is it gone? Is it scrolled up past where we were?
Let me. Crap.
Jim, I'm having the same problem you were when I'm on my DigitalOcean box with Git.
So what happened? It didn't work on your box?
It seemed to run, but it seemed like we didn't get peered. Oops. Yours doesn't seem to have any peers, does it?
Zero peers. All the way. Oh.
Does it look about like mine, just all these idle lines coming by?
Yeah.
I think the most likely problem is my network connection here. Oh, that's weird. Oh, I guess I don't have UFW installed. I hate to have to do all the building again on the server here, but it might be the sad state of the situation. Oh, you know what we could do in the meantime? Jim, do you want to try to start a second node also on that same box?
We could do that. I'm just rebuilding the apps here, but I can do that. Oh, it's already up to date.
Nice.
Yeah, I can only view. Oh crap! My public key and address.
You lost them
Okay.
again.
That's like. There's no way I can like view my own. I'm gonna make it a GitHub issue. Just kidding.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, you have to save the output from the subkey, right? It's not in your history.
No, it doesn't go back that far. I think
Yeah,
my
maybe,
terminal settings is only set for like 500 lines or something like that, and it cuts off.
maybe I should change the command in the tutorial to redirect that output to a file or something. So that then there is a file by default. The only problem is like it's not that smart of an idea once they're real keys that you actually want to protect, you know?
Well, maybe for the sake of just like testing out, it would be awesome to have
Yeah, totally.
with like a disclaimer at the bottom or something.
Yeah. So I think maybe in the last 15 or 20 minutes, Jim, if you want to take the share back, I'll just send you that that key I generated and we'll see if we can get 2 nodes running on your system.
Okay.
Since you're the one that has it working.
I can run it from the same directory?
Yeah, we'll just have to specify, even though like in our node, there's the data dir path. We'll just have to do, it's called base path and substrate. So we'll just add like a couple extra flags is all.
So to run the app, I just do a yarn run start.
Yep, exactly. That's right.
Okay. Whoa.
I get that a lot too. I don't really know what that means, but I think it's still going to work.
Still okay, huh?
I think so. Don't quote me on that.
I opened another window. I got the first one running in that window. I got the apps running here. So I'll duplicate my session. And the password and share works. And
Oh yeah, that looks good.
so this command here, I just want to change this, right?
Yeah, you're gonna have to change that, and you're gonna have to change your key if you want to just pretend you're me here. I sent that key in Discord. And yeah, you want to change the name. Yeah.
So, what do
You're gonna want, yeah, that seed.
I want this seed.
Yeah. Oh, wait, Jim, did you use the seed when you did your command?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, good. Okay. Oh yeah, that's right. It was the same one from before. Yeah.
Oh, so the bootstrap is me.
Yeah, that one's gonna be you. Yep.
And the key.
Nice.
And the boot, I just changed key and the bootstrap, right?
Yeah, and you want to change that name to. I mean, it's not strictly necessary, but we'll get a lot less confused.
Wait, does he also have to change boot node?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, and then it's going to be I always forget the format, /IP4/ wait, not quite, IP4. Yeah.
And
TCP 30333, and then that node ID that you sent in Discord a little while ago.
what about this P2P?
Oh yeah, where did that go? Yeah, sorry about that. We need that. And then Jim, after you paste that node ID, there's a couple more flags we'll have to specify since there are two nodes on the same physical system. Nice. And so then the last couple things you'll need is -- port, and then like anything that you're not using.
What was the standard port?
30333.
Oh, okay. So 30334.
Yeah, perfect. And then the last one is -- base - path.
--base.
Path.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's perfect. Yep. And then, just any folder that you're willing to create, like maybe /temp/ something or anything else you like.
Base path, I don't know.
Yeah, nice.
Is that going to create that?
Yeah, it'll create that. Yeah, I think you're good.
Except for one thing.
What's that?
Bet. I would bet that we had this, probably had this problem before. That the Unix firewall.
Oh, unless you have it still open from last time.
I don't know if we ever opened it.
30333.
I know.
Oh yeah, duh, that would have still worked. Yeah, my bad.
Warren slash is group writable.
Oh, that doesn't seem
It
good.
doesn't look like we ever opened it, which is why yours is probably not working.
Oh,
So we have just want to make sure that command worked.
yeah, yeah, good idea. Can you flip back to your node though, real quick? I thought it said it was producing blocks.
Well, it can access itself locally.
Oh, yeah, but you put in the domain name.
You're talking about the one that I just started? Now, what do you say?
Yeah,
Now I'm confused as to which is which.
yeah, they appeared though. They each say have appear and they're making blocks.
Interesting.
That's super interesting.
Did it have something to do with it being on the same machine?
I don't know. That's a good question. If it's smart enough to know that that's the same machine.
Let's. How about yours? The one you're running on your local machine, is that doing anything now?
I killed it. I killed it because I gave you the same key that I had used here.
Oh.
You want to see if you can get that UI connected to one of them or both of them?
Yeah. Let's see. That was what? That was.
Yeah, it'll be just, I guess, like substrate.robot.net:3000.
Right.
Oh, I guess actually I could do that too, probably, right?
Yeah.
That looks good, Jim. It's running.
Okay, but now I have to tell it what I'm what I want to monitor, right?
Yeah. Oh, wait, why is it just white? Oh, it's loading. Mine's loading at least. Oh yeah, yours loaded too. Yeah. On that settings tab, you should be able to do that. Oh, there you go. Oh, it did it. Oh, that's like a public test net though.
Right. Yeah. And I want to go to developer.
Or no, it was back on general.
Who's back on general?
Yeah, where it says Embrick
Oh,
Elm right now. Yeah, that's right. That's right.
I knew there was a button to hit.
Yeah.
Okay, and then remote node endpoint to connect to. And
I think you're going to want ws://localhost:9944.
I'm not running on this machine.
Well, yeah, you are, because the back end of this web app that we're working on is on the same machine as your node.
But it doesn't know where the back end is. That's what I'm telling you, isn't it?
I think that's going to work. Well, that's a good question. You think when you type localhost means the localhost that the web browser's on?
Exactly.
I mean, I would just type out the default IP to be safe.
Because my only concern here is that we might run into that issue about insecure WebSockets if we do it with the host name, but it's definitely worth trying.
I need a port number here? Or?
Yeah, 9944. And I think you want to just WS instead of WSS.
Oh, right. We don't want to do secure yet.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
If this works, we can try WSS later.
Yeah, right, right.
Although the hour's almost up. We have to do it pretty quick.
Yeah.
Hey! Oh, what's that? You're not connected to a node.
Hmm.
Um, ensure your node is running and that the website endpoint is reachable. 9944 is not reachable.
Oh, you're right. Oh, you know what else, Jim? There's that flag WS external that makes your WebSocket port available more than just locally that we didn't specify. But I want to try just for a second to type in localhost and see what happens. And I think I can even do it from here, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, no, that won't work.
Yeah.
Localhost is definitely your machine. They would have no idea where to go.
Well, but I'm just thinking, how do you know if it's localhost on the web browser side or where you're running that Node.js app? Like it might be the localhost where.
No clue where we're running the Node.js from.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I see what you're saying. The Node.js machine. I mean, this app is basically serverless. It's not going to use the back end.
Yeah.
I don't think, but you do have it there. You do have.
Yeah. I think you're right. I'm still trying it though, but yeah, I actually do think you're right now. So I think that just means we're going to need to open that port and maybe also reboot the node with the WS external flag.
Which one do I know which one is which now? um, 9944 I want to allow.
Yeah, that's right.
And we try this again, and it won't work because we don't have the external. Yeah, you're not connected.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me figure out which one is which here.
How far back can you scroll? Can we actually see the command you typed?
Well, I can do a Control Z.
Oh, yeah.
That tells me if one's node 2.
Yeah.
I'll put that in the background. Yeah.
Oh, how'd you do that? What'd you just do?
Control Z interrupts it.
What'd you do after that? How'd you restart it?
Then you have jobs. It'll show you the jobs you have running. Let's see.
Oh,
And then you can do foreground to put it back in the foreground.
oh, that's amazing.
Or
I
you
didn't
can-
know that.
Or if you want to run a background, we can do a VG
Nice.
running in the background. I have man comp here.
Oh, that's cool. Well, how do you kill it now if you want to?
Just do a foreground.
Oh,
Okay, and now I don't get a prompt anymore. I can do a Control C.
yeah.
Good
So
question.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen.
Sorry.
I said, Jim, once again, drop us some nom.
Yeah. All right, Jim, you want to kill that and add WS external?
But dash dash WS
Mhm.
dash
Yep.
external.
Yep. Oh, look at that message. Blocked connection to WebSocket server from untrusted origin.
Oh, maybe here. Wait, scroll. Just saw something.
So you got that when you reloaded? Or, oh,
You had an interesting log message there, Jim. I think it said it blocked the connection from this browser.
oh,
It was one of the first ones. Too far. Yeah, right there. Oh, near the bottom, second from the bottom. Blocked connection to WebSocket server from untrusted origin, some HTTP.
hmm.
I don't know what that means. I didn't know there was any security feature there.
You would think, that you would want to specify the origin somewhere, maybe.
Yeah. Hey, can you paste that message in Discord so I can dig into that a little bit?
Another little tip here. Control S stops the output.
Oh, what?
So now you can scroll and you can copy stuff without
Without it moving from under you,
right.
without it being like a child wiggling around while you're trying to get it dressed.
Exactly. Okay, and then Control Q starts it again.
Mm. Ooh, Control Q. My neurons are gonna have a hard time with that since that usually means to quit stuff.
Control Q.
Yeah, or in a lot of graphical programs at least.
Well, it quits the stop.
Yeah, exactly. That's a good point.
Okay, so put that in here.
Nice. Cool. Thank you very much. Um, you wanna stop here for tonight? It's getting pretty late for me.
Yeah.
Cool. That was another good sesh.
All right. So, Jared, I don't know if you want to do. Well, you have to get this working before it makes sense to start working on WSS, huh?
Yeah, I guess that's true. That's funny. I thought we had more success in terms of the UI last week. I thought we had that connected.
I'm wondering if we have to use WSS. That could be. It
Oh, that's a good point. Yeah,
might be preventing us from using WSS.
that's a great point. Yeah. Yeah, what's the name of the thing that you and Jacob were both talking about again?
Caddy server.
Caddy. Okay, cool. Google will. I want to make sure I do my homework if we're going to try that.
Yeah.
Maybe we should just start with that next time. Oh, HTTP2 web server, automatic HTTPS. Oh, that sounds great.
Yeah, it's magic.
That's basically what I was looking for. I didn't need to know how to like sysadmin an Nginx server.
Right. It's even hard to get an error. Even if it doesn't even care too much about the syntax of the file.
Oh, that's cool. That's great.
Whether you put Thomas in the right place or whatever.
Yeah.
It's very forgiving. too forgiving. Probably.
Yeah. Cool. All right. Well, that was fun, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Definitely Friday. Hopefully sooner.
Oh, for sure. Sorry that I lost my file.
No problem, dude. That's what peer learning's all about.
Now we know. Next time, I save everything in copy.
Cool. All right, guys. Have a good night.
Later.
Afternoon, I guess. See you later.